So on a Mercedes GLA, this is the cover for the cabin filter. Cabin filter sits at the very top of the passenger floor, so you just pull your carpet back a little bit, pop this cover off, and there should be a little tab you can pull down here on the bottom of the filter. Although sometimes it can be kind of stuck, so you may have to run your hand up in there to grab it and pull it out. Alright, so that's our filter. It sits in here this way. So now we're going to grab our brand new one right here. And take our new filter. Pull the carpet back just a little. Take the new filter and slide it gently up into its slot, and you'll see the tab kind of hangs down. You can pull that, push that tab up, take your cover piece right here, set it in there, and then push this up until you hear the clicks. Those two clicks right there. So then we can see that's our cover. The tabs to open it are right here and right here. So that's really all it takes to do the pollen filter on one of these cars. And if you're lucky, most of the time when you get a new filter, it comes with a little chart like this one. It tells you how to get it out and how many miles to replace it at. So anyway, that's it. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video.